for this song, you need the capo on the 4th fret. And we only need 4 chords. We need a G chord, a D chord, an E minor, and a C add 9. For the G chord, I'm using my 2nd finger on the 3rd fret of the E string, my 1st finger on the 2nd fret of the A string, ring finger on the 3rd fret of the B, and the pinky goes on the 3rd fret of the E. The strumming pattern is down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. The next chord is D. So we have open D, 2nd fret on the G, 1st finger, 2nd fret, 2nd finger on the E string, 3rd finger, 3rd fret on the B string. So far we have this. And we are doing 2 strumming patterns per chord. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. For the E minor, my pinky's gonna go back on this 3rd fret of the E string. And then we have the 1st finger on the 2nd fret of the A and the middle finger on the 2nd fret of the D. And we can strum all 6 strings. All together. Next chord is C add 9. The middle finger goes on the 3rd fret of the A string. The 1st finger goes on the 2nd fret of the D string. All together. For the next part of the song, we have a C add 9, and then the D, E minor, and then D again. So it goes down, down, up, down, up, 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 down, down. And then back to the original 4 chords. Thank you for watching, and let me know if you have any questions down below.